Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02442 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#hascot. Okay, make sure that you have given permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay, now first I am going to alter one table. So alter table employees to drop unique. So drop unique of employee number column. Okay, so you can see on error is from ORA-02442 cannot drop non-existent unique key. So describe employees to, so you can see there is no primary key, unique or not null key, so nothing is defined for this table called employees to. So I am running this query, select star from all underscore constraints for current user access DBA. So no unique keys is there. Okay, so what I am doing, I am dropping the table employees to. Okay, I am freshly creating this table employees to with the unique key. Okay, employee number column is unique key, name, enter. So table created successfully. So now let me go to SQL developer once again and run this query, select star from all underscore constraint as SSDBA. So as SSDBA I am running this query. Okay, so you can see that unique constraint is available and it's enabled also, it's very enabled. Okay, so now I'm going to retry that alter table drop unique key. Alter table applies to drop unique key of the employee number column. Yes, you can see that table is altered. So this is the fix for ORA-02442. So make sure that unique key is already existing in the database, then you try to drop the unique key. That is a fix for this ORA-02442.